Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we're drawing the winner for this cute, I love this print on this fabric. It has a little snap here. This cute little Blythe, or it might fit a Barbie. It won't be as long on a Barbie, but it should fit a Barbie and perhaps some other dolls. I love this Halloween print and I can't wait to make more, and my own dolls are going to get the same. I have a doll named Pumpkin that rides on my orange bike that I have now dubbed the Pumpkin. Anyway, we are ready to do the drawing, and the winner is Sarah Cole. Please contact me privately at my email address, marna@whimsicalblythe.com. So I can get this out to you. And thank you, everyone. And I really mean that. Thank you so much for watching my videos, liking my videos, and subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot. We are going to be having more hidden giveaways, happy mail going out, and I am trying to upload to my website, Whimsical Blythe, every couple of days or a few times a week. And one of the things we're going to start adding up there are some Blythe dolls. So watch and see. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you again, Sarah. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.